Okay, guys, let's do question number 19 on the review packet. Number 19.8. 19.8, you have this one. So here you have, you see the dy, here. The variation of y then has to be 0 and this one. And then square root of 2x minus x squared. Okay, that's the variation of y. Let me write it down here. Y is between 0 and square root of 2x minus x squared. That's the variation of y. Okay, I have y here, and then x will be from 0 to 2. So here, if y equal to this one, if y is this one, 2x minus x squared, y is this one. So then y squared is equal to 2x minus, I'm working here, okay? Then it's 2x minus x squared. Mean y squared plus x squared is equal to 2x. And remember, to convert from x and y to polar coordinate. So x is r cosine theta and y is r sine theta, and then x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. You have to know it. So from here then I have this one. So that's mean x squared plus y squared is equal to 2x, mean r squared, y because here r squared is equal to 2r cosine theta. I replace x and y by those values here. Okay, here I have this one. So then I can cancel out the r. I have r is equal to 2 cosine theta. And since it's positive sign, that's r, the variation of r is between 0 to 2 cosine theta. That's all I need. Please copy it, and I have to raise this one. I need more space. Okay, let's move on. So now the variation of x, you can tell here. Okay, let me raise here real quick. Okay, I have this one. So now I have x, I have y or x, either way will work. Either way will work. Okay, I have x is equal to 0, mean r here, this side, here. Okay, either way will work. You can graph it, you can graph if you want, you can prove it by graphing, I will accept it. Or you can do it that way. You have r is x is cosine theta equals 0, right? So you can do it either way. That way also will work. You can also do it, you can replace r if you want, but you can also think about cosine equals 0, then that's mean theta is equal pi over 2. So that's mean theta is between 0 to pi over 2. Okay, that's the meaning. So then now you have the variation of this one. You have the convert of r. R is between and theta is between. Theta is between 0 to pi over 2, and r is between 0 to 2 cosine theta. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the integration of this one, 0 to 2, 0 square root of 2x minus x squared of x y dy dx is just this one. So here you will have a 0 to r. R have to come first because you have theta, and theta have to come last. And r to have to come first, 0 to 2 cosine theta. And then you know is x and y is just r cosine theta times r sine theta. And then you have r d theta. And then that's it. And now you can keep going. And here you have 0 to pi over 2, and then 0 to 2 cosine theta, and then you have r to the third, because it's 1, 2, because it's 3 r, 1, 2, 3, that's why it's r to the third. Okay, and then here you have cosine theta, sine theta, and then dr d theta, and then you can solve it here. It's easy. Okay, and do the rest. Is the same thing. It's the same thing here, and here you can tell here it's just r. Here is r square. Okay, and here also you can do the same thing I did here. You have x squared plus y squared equal to 1, and here is easy, and then you can find the variation. Okay, it's easy to find, and then you can keep going and replace here by r d theta, and do the same also here. You will have sine of r and times r dr or d, it depends. The r is not always is dr d theta, it depends the variation. Okay, and do the same thing. That's called, this one is called polynomial color. It's the same tactic, same way. It's nothing changed. Okay, good luck for your exam.